Hi, hello everyone. In our previous video, we started with general paper, and in that video we discussed about education system during ancient, medieval and modern period questions. And as I told, we will continue with the same, but today we will discuss few questions of higher education in India. Okay, let's get starting. The first question is like this. The Ministry of Human Resource Development, that is MHRD, now it is called as MOE, was developed in which year? The options are 1947, 1952, 1975, 1985. Answer for this is 1985. Okay, let us move on to the next one. The title of Eshpal Committee report, that is 2008, is options are like this. Information and Communication Technology is Teachers Education, that is ICT. Second option, learning without burden. Third option, learning through broadcasting. Fourth option, all of these. And answer for this is learning without burden. Okay, let us move on to the third one. The third question is like this. The Kothari Commission's report was entitled on. Options are education and national development, diversification of education, learning to be adventure, education and socialization in democracy. So answer for this is education and national development. Okay, this Kothari Commission focuses on the education and national development. Let us move on to the next question. The fourth one. Which commission gave the recommendation of a 3-language formula, that is mother tongue, Hindi and English, and also development of regional languages? They are asking about which commission has gave the 3-language formula, and obviously this is the more repeated question in the examination. And answer for this is the Kothari Education Commission. That is the one which gave the recommendation for the 3-language formula. Next one. Which of the following aimed to promote knowledge of modern science in India? The options are like this. First one, Elphinstone Report 1823. Second option, Charter Act 1813 and Lad Macaulay Minute, and fourth option, Wood's Dispatch. The answer for this is Charter Act 1813. This is the one which aimed to promote knowledge of modern science in India. Okay, let's move on to the sixth question. Here the sixth question. Which commission or committee recommended that female education should be based on scientific and technological education? Options are like this. Hartog Committee, Gnanam Committee, Sharma Committee, and fourth one, Sadler Committee. The answer for this is Sadler Committee. That is the one which gave the recommendation for the female education that should be based on scientific and technical education. Move on to the next question. The main principle of Varda scheme of basic education was basic education, that is, or it is Nai Talim. Second option, learning through practice. Third option, learning through experience. Fourth option, learning through activity. And answer for this is the Fourth one, learning through activities. The main principle of the scheme, okay, of the basic education. Let us move on to the eighth one. Which of the following recommended that university education should be placed in concurrent list? Means it should be state concurrent list means where decision going to taken by both state and central, means it should central list and also state list. Options are like this: Mudaliar Commission, second option Radhakrishnan Commission, third option Kothari Education Commission, fourth option Varda Scheme. And answer for this is Radhakrishnan Commission. That is, this commission is the one that recommended that university education should be placed in concurrent list. Ninth one, in post-independence India, which one of the following committee or commissions report deals with all levels of education in India? First one, Sargent Commission, Hartog Commission, Kothari Commission. Fourth one, Radhakrishna Commission. Answer for this is again Kothari Commission. Let us move on to the next question. 10th question. In which era given below higher education in India got a setback? They are asking which era. First option British era, second option Buddhist era, third option Mughal era, and fourth option post independence era. The answer for this is Mughal era. And thank you everyone. For more updates, please do subscribe to my channel.